Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil with Simple Futures, and it is Thursday, November 2nd. Apple just reported. You can see they went out at about 177. They're at 171, down 6, but you can also see that that is the expected move for this report. And so, it's nothing, huge or shocking or whatever. I mean, it's basically down the expected move. And so what I want to do now is basically mark this move in the NASDAQ, since we put in a high today and Apple just reported, and I think that's what it was definitely, kind of holding back for to see. So we've got up to 15,000 today. Actually went through a little bit, but 15K from 14.1, and that puts these two very important levels at 14.810 and 14.700. I like support, and I like it probably about 14.7, but that means it does get a chance to breathe. And then what we'll do is we will, at that time, after we identify whatever the support's going to be, somewhere around this 14.7, I guess, then we'll measure up a like a 1272 extension and put it in. My guess is it's going to be up here at about 15,280, I think is what probably going to be right in there. Because that is the balance point of control of this upper distribution up here. So that's going to be, I got to first let it come in and get some support, and then I'm going to try and mark them up to the next level, and that's going to be up in that that area, about that 15, just call it 250 area, but it's probably really honestly about 280. And that's it. That's what I got. Mind your risk tomorrow. After, obviously, it's been a big week, and market was holding back first of the week, waiting on the Fed and Apple. It's gotten now that information, and so certainly we can now, digest that a little bit, and that can be tomorrow. So mind your risk. Take care. Be with you again at the next update. Till then, good trading.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me